Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a staff account in a Shopify store. Adding staff accounts to your store is very important when you have several users accessing your Shopify admin. Not every staff member should have full access to everything in the Shopify admin, right? That's why it would be a great idea if you create a few staff accounts to assign them certain tasks to complete in your Shopify admin. You can also set permissions to your staff so that you can manage which areas of your Shopify admin they have access to and what they can do. This way, you can prevent them from accessing any sensitive information in your store. Having individual staff accounts can also help you track the recent changes. Shopify allows you to create a certain amount of staff accounts based on the Shopify plan you are using. Let me tell you how many accounts you can create for each of the Shopify plans available. Well, the Shopify Lite plan lets you create only one staff account. If you are using the basic plan, then you can add 2 staff accounts. The Shopify plan enables you to add 5 staff accounts. With the advanced Shopify plan, you can add a total of 15 staff accounts. But if you want to add an unlimited number of staff, then Shopify Plus will be the right choice. Another important thing you must know is that only the store owner can create and delete staff accounts. If any staff is given full permissions, he or she can modify other staff accounts, but a staff member won't be able to edit the account of the store owner. Now, I'm going to teach you how you can create a staff account. First, go to your Shopify admin and click on Settings. Now, click on Account. In the Accounts and Permissions section, click Add Staff Account. Here you can enter the full name and email address of your staff. If you want to give full access, then enable this option and send an invitation to your staff. But if you want to limit the access, simply disable this option. After disabling the option, you will find some more options where you can set the permissions based on your requirements. Suppose you want to provide access to a developer for theme and app modifications. Now, all you need to do is select those permissions and send an invitation. The developer will receive an email invitation that she or he needs to accept to complete the setup process. After that, the developer will have access to the permitted areas of your Shopify admin. So, this is how you can manage the staff accounts in your Shopify admin. If you have any queries about this video, please drop us a comment below. Thank you.